Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathsola Suraj Mato. As you know, we have already started with Okta tutorial playlist. In that we have covered different videos such as how can you create users, manage groups, how can you integrate Okta with other application as a both identity provider and service provider. And in the last video, we have integrated Okta and Ping identity in which Ping was identity provider and Okta was service provider. In this video, we are going to use Google as identity provider and Okta as a service provider. Basically, we are going to do login with Google in Okta. Okay, so let's start. So first, you just need to go to Google Chrome and you just need to type Google OIDC, and once that you have typed, you need to click on OpenID Connect. Once you click on OpenID Connect, you need to go to Google Cloud Console, and once you go there, you just need to click on clients. Once you click on client, you have option of create client. Just click on that plus icon, click create client, and you need to select application type, select web application, give name anything if you want to give. I'm just giving as Okta OIDC, and after that you need to add your JavaScript, or skip that, and you just need to enter your redirect URI. So redirect URI that we will get from Okta. For that we need to register one application in Okta. So we'll go to security. In that we'll go to identity provider, and after clicking on identity provider, we will have option of adding another identity provider. So we'll click on add button. So after clicking on add button, we'll have option of OIDC. So we'll select that, and after that, after selecting that OIDC, we just click on next tab. We'll have this option. We need to enter the name. I'm keeping name as Google for now, and for now I am giving just dummy URL in all the sections. Once after configuration, I will get all the URLs from Google. I will replace it here. So here I will just put redirect URI of Okta as a dummy URL only, and after that we'll click on save button. So once we click on save button, we'll get client ID and client secret that we will register in Okta. So we'll register here client ID. After that we'll copy client secret, and that I will paste in Okta. And after that we will require these URLs such as issuer, authorization, endpoint and all. So for that we can use, either we can download that metadata from Google, or we can simply go to well-known URL of Google and we'll copy paste all the required URLs from there. Just now we have downloaded the data, and now we'll copy paste in JSON format, so it will look very clear for us. And as I also, you can do one thing, like you can directly go to well-known URL, as I have already mentioned in the video. You just need to click here and you can copy all the URLs such as authorization endpoint. I will copy it from here and will paste in the Okta. After that, I will copy all the required URLs such as issuer. So I will copy issuer from here and will paste that in Okta. Yes, I pasted the issuer. Now I copy token endpoint. So we'll copy token endpoint from here, which is basically used for exchange of ID token and access token, and that I will paste in Okta. And after that we'll need JWKS endpoint, that is basically for certificates. So we'll copy here JWKS URI and we'll copy from here, and after copying it we'll paste in Okta. And after that we'll need user info also, so we will copy user info endpoint from here, and that I will paste in Okta. Okay, so we'll go there in user info. Also it is optional, even if you don't do it, it won't affect. We'll click on enable automatic linking. This, if user exists, it will allow login. We'll click on finish button. It will require authentication code, so I will enter my code from my phone. We'll click on verify button, and I think code, there is some mistake in the code. We'll click again. Yes, now I will enter my password. So after entering my password, we'll click on verify button. So after clicking on verify button, this configuration is saved. Now I will get redirect URI from Okta that I need to paste in Google, because that time in the starting we pasted dummy URL only in Google. So what I will do, I will take that redirect URI, as you can see there. Redirect I will copy from here, and that I will paste in Google. So we'll go to Google configuration. Yeah, we'll click on that. Okta OIDC, we'll click on edit, and after, so we'll enter here redirect URI here, and after that we'll click on save button. So after clicking on save button, the configuration is saved at both the end, Okta and Google. Now I want my Google icon on my login page of Okta. So we'll go to routing rules, and then from here I will add Google on login page of Okta. So we'll click on edit here. I already have rules that I used in earlier video. So we'll click here. We'll select here Google, and after that we'll update the rule. So after updating rule, if we try to do login in Okta, we will have option of login to Google also. So let's see. We'll go to Okta login page. As you can see, we have option of login sign in with Google. We'll click on that. After clicking, it will redirect to Google login page. So I will enter my credential here of Google. We'll click on next button, and after that I will enter my password of Google. And after entering my password, we'll click on next button here. And as you can see, we have login into Okta. We just need to enter my MFA code. So I will enter my code, and after that we'll be logging into Okta using Google successfully. So yeah, as you can see, the dashboard of Okta we have successfully logged into. We'll go to report section. We'll check system log, like whether everything is proper or not, or do we get any, no, everything is successful here. So we have successfully logged into Okta using Google. I hope you have understood how can you integrate Google with Okta or your application. Also you have understood all the configurations required. So if this video gave you any benefit and in your understanding in your jobs or anything, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this video.